Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony, and I hope you have been enjoying what I've been presenting to you so far. And on this channel, I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates, but it is still yummy and still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. I bought a packet of jerky the other day, and not only was it very expensive, I was not too fond of the taste. Therefore, I've decided to make my own jerky at home. If you'd like to see me do this, then follow. For my jerky, the vegetable jerky, I'll be using some mushroom, a piece of the radish, and aubergine or eggplant as you know it. Now for the meat jerky, I'll be using chicken, and this is from the chicken breast, and also some beef. Now we'll be making slices, just nice bite-sized slices like that. Not much thinner, and this is perfect. And these are chestnut mushrooms. I've washed and peeled my eggplant because I don't want the skin on. This thickness, or a little small, and this will be perfect also. I'm trying to make some thin slices. These are thin enough for bacon slices, vegan bacon slices. Right here I'm making some long strips, and it's best if your meat is half frozen, you'll get to cut it better. Those were cut half frozen, so they're more precise. I'm going to marinate the radish and the eggplant together. So the first set I put in was the radish at the bottom, and now I'm placing the eggplant at top. Now I'll be doing the same for the chunks, marinating them both together. Now for the mushroom. Now it's time to make our marinade. Now in my cup here I have 3/4 of a cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of oil. And I'm going to add this to my sugar. To it I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of dark soy or light soy, whichever you have. That's about it. 1/2 teaspoon of ground spice, which is actually pimento grounded. Then I'll be adding some crushed chili, 1 tablespoon. The same amount for some coarse black pepper. Garlic granules, the same amount. Some smoked paprika, but I'll be using some powdered smoke to help it because I don't think it will give me the right smoky taste. Tablespoon. Now I'll be using 1/3 teaspoon of hickory smoke powder. If you have liquid smoke, that would be okay too. A heaped tablespoon of onion powder. We're going to add some dried molasses. Tablespoon. Now that everything is in the container, let's stir and blend this out, dissolving the sugar and the other seasonings. Now the marinade is ready, and I'm going to pour some on our bacon pieces, vegetable bacon pieces. A little, and I'm going to rub it in. Make sure your slices are thoroughly covered because, you know, we want it to absorb the flavors, and this needs to be fully covered. Now we're going to cover this and put it away for at least 24 hours. Now that the bacon bit is completed, let's get ready for the jerky bits, and to this I'm going to add some jerk seasoning. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of hot jerk seasoning. I need my jerky to be hot. You don't have to, you may eliminate this part. Starting off with the beef. We're going to massage it. Massage the marinade in the meat. Now we're going to seal the bag, getting out the air, seal it, and allow it to marinate for at least 24 hours or more. You cannot keep it up to 4 days. Next, the chicken. Same treatment as we did with the beef. Making sure it's touching every piece of the meat. Now we seal, releasing the air, putting it away for 24 hours. Next are eggplant and radish. Now it's time to dehydrate our vegetables, and here we have the mushroom. It has shrunk so much, you see? It has released a lot of water and it has shrunk, and I'm sure it has absorbed a lot of flavor. And here we have the bites, or the little jerk bits. The same thing has happened. So we're going to take it out now and drain some of the water off and get ready for dehydration. Just for a few minutes, we're going to dry. Just pat, you know, with a towel again to get rid of all that moisture. Here we have the aubergine and the radish. It's going to shrink a lot, so you know you can pack it properly because it's going to shrink and you're going to have a lot of space left. Place the pieces on paper towel to absorb some of the moisture. If you don't have a dehydrator, then you may use a regular oven. Your setting should be 80 to 100 degrees Celsius to dehydrate for 2 hours or longer if you want it to become very crispy. It has been cooled for a couple hours. Now here we have the eggplant and the radish. Now they are not very crispy. I didn't want them to be crispy. I want them to be pliable and chewable because I enjoy it that way. But if you want, you could keep it a little longer and it will become crispy. But right now, it's very seasoned and spicy and nice. Now the next one is the mushroom, and it has shrunk a lot. You see? But they're just as pliable and seasoned well. You can make them crispy if you want, but they're just nice and chewable. Now it's time for beef and chicken, but we are going to do the same thing as we did with the vegetables. So the first one I'm going to put out is the beef. Well seasoned, has been marinated for almost 2 days. Here we have them. Now it's time to do our chicken pieces. If you don't have a dehydrator, then you may use a regular oven. Your setting should be 80 to 100 degrees Celsius to dehydrate for 2 hours or longer if you want it to become very crispy. Here we have it after 2 hours. Veggie and meat jerky without any harmful additives, spicy and seasoned the way you like it. Now you may snack on these, or you can add it to your sandwiches just as you would bacon. Now store in an airtight container to prevent it from going soft or getting stale. I packaged mine in a plastic bag as I had company and I knew this would be finished in 2 days. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.